Hello, in this video, I'll show you how to add additional fields to your LearnDash registration form. By default, LearnDash does not have a way to add custom fields to the registration form while you receive registration details from your students. So the way to do so is very simple, and I'll show you how to do that. So this is the default registration page of LearnDash where you place this LearnDash registration block, and you can achieve this customization and this feature just by using a very simple free plugin. I'll show you how to do that very quickly. So these are the additional fields that I've added to the registration form. I've used this advanced custom fields plugin, which is a very handy plugin to add custom fields to your site. So you can download this for free from the WordPress repository. I've added the link in the description below. Once you download and activate this plugin on your site, you will see a menu called ACF, and here you can create your fields, your custom fields that you would like to show on the registration page. So just quickly create this fields group and add whatever name you need to add here. And this is where you create all your fields. So there are a number of options here where you can create any sort of field that you like. You can create a text area, you can create a URL field, or any of the fields that are available here. There are a lot of options here. You can explore this on your own. I've just created very simple 3 text fields to show you how to do that. So first you select the field type here, and then you enter the field label. There are additional options like you can make this a required field, you can add a character limit, you can also add a placeholder text of your choice. So these are very good options here where you can easily create your own customized fields depending on your particular business logic. So this is the area where you create all your fields and that you need to show. And the magic is this area here, which is the setting. Here in the location rules, you have to create a new rule where it should show the fields on the user and the user form. So you need to select user form from here, and you should set it to is equal to all. So just by setting this location rule, you would be able to show these fields on your LearnDash registration form, and that's the only thing that is required here. So just make sure the user form is set to all and click Save Changes. As soon as you do that, you will see that whenever a new student would come to your registration page, they would see these additional fields and they would be enter their own data which is required in these fields. So no additional step is required, and you don't need to customize or add anything else. That's just the location that handles all of it. So as soon as you do that, these fields show up on the registration page, and apart from the registration page, they also show up on the user profile page, which is displayed when the user logs in is logged into the site. So this is where it shows the additional registration information and all the fields and the values that the user has entered during the registration. You can also see the details of these fields from the admin. And if you go to all users, you edit any of the particular user, you would be able to see those additional custom fields that you have created from ACF here, and you'll also see the values that the user has entered during registration. So just by adding this free plugin and setting this up accordingly, you will be able to display your custom fields on the LearnDash registration form, and you'll also be able to see all those details on the user profile. So this was uh, this was pretty much it. And if you need anything else, or if you need any help with your LearnDash registration, or if you need any help anyhow with your LearnDash site for any customization or help, please feel free to reach me out. I'll share the link in the description below to reach out